Hello my dear health seeker, Inga from Health Origins here. So today I've got a super exciting recipe. We're going to be making quick and easy waffles in the waffle maker. And what's interesting about this, that actually the recipe involves a vegetable. So let's begin. Here are the ingredients. The inspiration for the recipe, for the waffle recipe, I got from Based Gabriel, and I'll link to his channel. He's got some really nice, simple plant-based recipes. So his recipe was with, instead of carrots here that I've got, he used pumpkin puree. And then he used half a cup of pumpkin puree, I believe, then 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So very, very simple. But I'm using carrots, so I've got some steamed carrots, 2 steamed carrots here. So I'll probably produce about a cup here. Then I've got 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of soy milk, or you could use any other plant milk. Then I've got some chia seeds, a tablespoon of chia seeds, or you could use 2 tablespoons of milled flax seeds as well. That would work. I've got cinnamon, so I'm going to use only half a teaspoon. I don't want it too cinnamony. And then I've got vanilla extract. Then I've got some apple cider vinegar and some bicarb soda for a bit more rising. And then just a pinch of salt to, because these will be neutral waffles, so you could eat them either sweet or savory, depending on what you're going to serve them with. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to just add everything in my Thermomix blender, and then I'm going to blend it until it's smooth for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. And then in that time, I'm going to get my waffle iron hot. So I'm adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon here, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and then also half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar for that bit of acid to help the bicarb soda rise. Oh, I've got a little bit too much, I think. So there. And then 1/4 teaspoon of bicarb soda. You don't want too much because it can go crazy in the waffle maker. So that's it, and a pinch of salt. Sorry, I forgot, a couple of pinches of salt. And then that's it. So I'm going to blend this, and I'm going to show you when I've got my waffle iron preheated. So we've got our mixture. The batter is nice and thick, so I'm going to just put it in a container and grab my waffle maker too. So the waffle maker is hot, is ready, and this makes about 3 big waffles. So if you want more, then maybe double the recipe. So that should make 3 waffles. So you put in the center, press it down. Mine turns, but whichever way your waffle maker, just follow the instructions. And I'll put on about 4 minutes, and that's normally enough time, maybe 4.5 to 5 minutes. And while the waffle is baking, I'm gonna make some sweet sauce, creamy sauce to have with our waffles, and we're gonna have waffles sweet this time. So I've got some of my homemade soy cream cheese. I'll link to the recipe for you below and in the card above for it. But basically it's about maybe half of that portion, and maybe about 100 grams of cream cheese, and I'm gonna put about 2 big tablespoons of jam here, 2 or 3 tablespoons, depends how sweet you want it. Probably gonna put actually 3 here because our waffles are not sweetened at all. So, and all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just blend it with my stick blender until it becomes nice pink creamy mass. And this is it. The sauce is ready for waffles, and actually the first waffle is ready, so let's have a look. So let's have a look how the waffle is looking. That's looking amazing. That's been about 4.5 minutes. So just carefully lift that out. Perhaps you could leave it for another half a minute, maybe 5 minutes, just so that it fully kind of dries out. And then I'm going to put it on a plate lined with a paper towel so it just absorbs the extra moisture there. And I'm going to put the next waffle in. Yeah, so we're going to leave it for 5 minutes this time. So this is the second waffle is ready. So just carefully peel it off. Yeah, so 5 minutes seems to be a good amount of time for this, at least in my waffle maker. So you just, you know, have to work out what's the timing for yours. So that's the last waffle. So like I say, it's about 3 waffles from this one batch. So you can double it if you want more. So I've baked all 3 waffles, so now all that's left to do is to try it, to taste test it for you. So I'll take a quarter of the waffle and dip into the berry cream cheese sauce. Oh my goodness, the combination is just amazing. Wow, this is really good. Such a quick and healthy dessert. Yes, there is some sugar in the jam, but you know, it's not the worst dessert you can ever have because it has hardly any fat. Yes, cream cheese has a little bit of fat from the soy yogurt that we strained it into cream cheese, but it's not a lot. So it is, oh, I can't stop eating it. It's really, really delicious. So if you like this video, if you're gonna try it, give me a thumbs up, and if you're new here, welcome. Subscribe for more videos like this, and on Wednesdays and then on Sundays I do my cook along for weight loss show at 7 o'clock GMT time, so join me for that. And remember, food is fuel, so be mindful of what you put in the body. Until next time.